Thursday, November 2nd, All Souls, commemoration of the faithful departed. Focus. Jesus, remember me when you come into your kingdom. As Jesus and the two thieves hung on their crosses, the people there could hear their conversation. Luke is the only evangelist to report it, and we are grateful that he does, or we would have lost a precious moment. The man on the left scorns and perhaps screams at Jesus, challenging him to save them from death. The one on the right, that tradition says, was called Dismas, sees the goodness of Jesus, recognizes him as God, and asks to be saved not from the cross but from damnation. Dismas has clear eyes. Jesus gazes at Dismas. He promises him life today in paradise. What did Jesus' eyes hold at this profound moment? Love for the repentant thief, gratitude for his kindness, surely the light of God's mercy. As we remember our faithful departed, we take solace in that look. A holy and kind confessor once told me that we find it easy to see God's goodness, but usually find it hard to see the goodness of people, although God lives in them, and that we would do well to pray for that grace. On All Souls' Day, we repose our faith in God's mercy and in the grace He always offers to our beloved departed. Root. As I pray for all souls and contemplate without fear my own inevitable death, may I rest in the infinite kindness of Jesus on the cross.